How do you build a fully circular pavilion in the middle of the desert? The Netherlands Pavilion was designed and built according to circular principles. A conscious decision was made to use as many reusable, recyclable and compostable materials as possible to minimize the carbon footprint of the entire project. For the structure of the pavilion, a radical construction method was applied by renting local materials available in Dubai, such as sheet piles and giant steel tubes used in civil engineering projects. The whole pavilion functioned as a biotope in the desert, where uniting water, energy and food was experienced by the visitors. The cooling effect of the condensation, together with high humidity, gave perfect conditions for growing oyster mushrooms. The CO2 created by the mushrooms was used by the plants to create oxygen. The water captured from the Dubai air was also smartly used for the irrigation of the plants on the cone. Visitors could experience natural phenomena such as adiabatic cooling, solar energy, photosynthesis, humidity and fragrance, making the pavilion an exhibition in itself. By working closely together with Dutch innovators and artists, we were able to integrate new bio-based materials in the design, such as a curtain and canopy made from cornstarch biopolymer textile fibers and floor and wall finishes made from mycelium. Even the artworks were an integral part of the visitor experience, triggering all the senses. And being a showcase for sustainability and circularity, the pavilion featured unique innovations such as specially designed organic-based solar panels that supplied sunlight to the edible plants and a water harvesting machine that made rain from the desert air. The sensory experience of this, combined with a fantastic visitors show inside the cone, provided a sensational feeling of the power of nature. The architecture is the physical representation of the Netherlands' core message: sustainable solutions uniting water, energy and food. Throughout the expo period, nearly 1 million people visited the pavilion. The pavilion won more than 10 awards in the fields of sustainability, innovation and design. At the end of Expo 2020, the Netherlands Pavilion was completely dismantled and its raw materials have been returned to the local industry so they can be reused in new projects. The sheet piles and tubes were taken back to be used in future construction projects. And by building the entire pavilion on top of steel plates instead of concrete, even the foundation was reused elsewhere. The mushroom nursery has been transferred to the Biospheric City Lab in Dubai. This organization will educate people regarding sustainability and food systems in cities. All installations, lighting, and even the elevator have been leased and will be reused. The materials used to make the Netherlands Pavilion found a new purpose, have been composted or recycled, allowing us to achieve our goal in minimizing the pavilion's carbon footprint and leaving behind an empty plot with only sand. A truly circular pavilion.